Welcome. If you're looking for a way to keep your Instagram activity private, especially when it comes to new followers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide Instagram new followers' notification content from appearing on your phone's lock screen. This ensures that only you know when someone new follows you. No more prying eyes when your phone is locked. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where you control all the notifications for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. This will open the app-specific settings, giving you more control over how Instagram interacts with your phone. Once inside the Instagram settings, tap on Notifications. This section manages all the alerts you receive from Instagram, including likes, comments, direct messages, and new followers. Now, look for the option labeled New Followers under the Instagram Notifications section. Tapping on this will let you customize exactly how these notifications show up. Here's the key step. Tap on Lock Screen. You'll see several options for how notifications appear when your phone is locked. Choose Hide Content. By selecting this, your phone will still notify you that you have a new follower, but it won't display any details about who followed you or any other sensitive information right on the lock screen. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've taken control of your privacy. From now on, your Instagram new follower notifications will remain discreet, visible only when you unlock your phone. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who value their privacy too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newfound peace of mind.